Hello and welcome again to the second episode of part 2 of Swara Yoga. I'm Dr. Shweta Adatya from the Limitless Brain Lab and I have today two amazing personalities. So I welcome first Swami Charan Shiji Maharaj, who did the episode 1 from the Swara Yoga Peeth. He is the founder of the Swara Yoga Peeth in Rishikesh, and I have Monica Singalji from Hari Om Smiles. The previous episodes we had a lot of fun talking to her. Very practical and easy solutions, basically giving limitless smiles to all the people. So today in this episode, we are going to discuss some practical applications of Swara Yoga, both from the perspective of health and spirituality. So I will be taking care of the health, and गुरुबा आप spirituality पे बात कर लेंगे. स्वामी जी is very kind that he has allowed us 2 episodes. So thank you so much, Swami ji. Welcome again. So you talked to us about so many things in Swara Yoga. I came with the impression that there is right nostril, there is left nostril, there is right brain and left brain. All that was my understanding. But you opened an entire vista of how the single breath is connected to the cosmic consciousness, to the particles, to the entire subtlest of the layers that we have. So formation of the emotion to formation of even the DNA, for that matter, is all related and connected. So can you give, in your practical life, what are the changes that people have observed when they have practiced Swara Yoga? What are the changes and what have you documented so far?
I have seen people have overcome critical illnesses and they have started living a very normal life, which was normally medically sometime it was not possible to become normal, and they were suffering from 15, 20 years like that. I have seen people who has a lot of problem in their business and other things, they are struggling. After practice of Swara Yoga, they have found that suddenly there are a lot of manifestation, their business has become so easy, and they started connecting more people, and what they wanted, that started manifesting. I've seen my experience and many people that if you think and properly follow Swara Yoga, if it's possible, it will just manifest. Which sometimes you'll feel it is impossible, but situation will be created and all the resources will be made available and things happens. So manifestation, and also it balances the personality. So what Swara Yoga does is, normally, if you talk about yama and niyamas in yoga, in Ashtanga yoga, where ahimsa, sat, aste, brahmacharya, aparigraha, yama, sauch, santosh, tap, swadhyaya, ishwar pranidhan, niyama. These are all things, and that asana, pranayam.
I have to scan your brain. How do you remember so much? He just said so many things which actually went above my head. But
Anyway, yamas are the social conduct. How we should be behaving with the society. Ahimsa, non-violence is the conduct.
Yes.
We interact with the world, with the, where we don't do the violence. We should follow
Ahimsa.
the non-violence and satya, truthfulness, honesty. All these things are the social conduct.
Right.
And it is also sometimes personal little bit, but more with the interaction of the world. The socha is the personal conduct. Soch, cleanness, external and internal. Santosa, contentment is yours, not the world. It is not related to the other people. Santosh, tapa, austerity you have to do, not somebody else will do.
Correct.
Now the society will do for you.
Correct.
Swadhyay, self-learning about the spiritual sciences, about ourselves, who we are, so many things. And Ishwar Pranidhan, becoming one with the God, trying to understand what God is, how to experience it. So these all things are very difficult for the people nowadays. I find people they're saying this is not possible in this world. We are in marketing, we have to tell lies, we have to do all this thing. So how to follow truthfulness. So Swara Yoga, what it does, it will start changing your eternal level energies. And within 1 year, if you practice regularly, simple practices of Swara Yoga, you'll start understanding and observing yourself that you are not liking the qualities which is not the qualities of the Atma, Sat Chit Anand. So anything is wrong, your mind and body and emotion will not validate it. So it will try to keep you away. So automatically the Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, honesty, all will start becoming part of your personality. So we are actually doing a subtle programming through Swara Yoga, which are the eternal aspect and nature
Values
of
and nature
of the existence. The values, values keep changing. I'm talking about eternal nature. It's not dharma. Dharmas are dharyatiti dharma. So the eternal laws of the universe, like Earth is rotating around the sun, is an eternal law. Nobody can change, neither Any Hindu can change or Christian can
Correct.
change. It's eternal law. So the sun and the light and energy coming out of the sun, the universe and all the management of the universe, the birth and the death and the development of a person from a small child to the adult and all these things. So they are all governed by the universal eternal laws. So what happens? Our body start getting governed by eternal laws. So when the eternal laws are becoming part of our existence, the distortions which we have created with our wrong actions and energy combinations known as karmas and karma bandhana get alienated, and then we become one with the universe. So because of that, yama and niyama, all the positive qualities we have to acquire with so many janmas and so many effort, just becomes very spontaneous in some time of practice. So these are
The benefits, overall benefits.
Health benefits are there. Psychologically, you are more intuitive. You start forcing the things. Automatically, you will sense. You will start feeling this will happen and this will happen. So why it is? I was feeling it is happening because you have become so one with the universe.
Aligned with the universe.
You started, experiencing the spandana and decode. Your mind is able to decode and turn into the thought and emotion which is happening, and you are without feeling. So it that all these things keep changing.
Beautiful.
So so many changes happens all the dimensions: physical, mental, social, spiritual, interpersonal, business, whatever, health, intelligence, intuition, everything. So this is the process through which you can change and make yourself a Superman. Or
Superhuman being. Yes. So that is amazing. And I think one of your courses, there is a small component of the Swara Yoga. Why don't you tell us about that?
Yeah, so there is a course in Hari Om Smiles which is known as Shav Se Shiva.
Shav She Shiva. Beautiful.
Shav, बार बार
Corpse, dead.
Right.
सो कठपुतली का खेल है सारा, बांधी डोरी नाच नचाया, चली न तेरी मेरी यहाँ, लेकिन मानुष तू क्यों नहीं सका. As he is mentioning so beautifully that one breath has enormous science, and it's all deep science, but unknown to us. And now the medical science is validating. So in Shav Se Shiva, we give a small idea, we don't go into that depth because it's a very mind-boggling.
Yeah, totally. It's just very interesting to even
Very
hear.
interesting, very deep, mystical, and So in that we generally tell, the way he was mentioning, that when you get up, you should be aware of your breath. So when we take these sessions, people used to get surprised. Do we have to breathe?
Yes.
Are we,
Correct.
Is it that one nostril, we are breathing with one nostril? This was not believable. So then we taught them Ghadi. So it's a small portion. But in that itself, there is a big change. So as he mentioned, there is a chemical pattern in our body which is flowing. So just by simply asking everybody to take a deep breath, as a doctor, you must be checking so many people.
Right.
The first thing you tell them is, please take a deep breath.
Absolutely.
Right? So breath plays a very important role.
Bilkul.
And it is just like कि अभी हमने बचपन में nursery में body parts पढ़ी.
Right.
Then as a doctor, we go deep into it.
Right.
So he's like that kind of a doctor who's giving degrees and making you this. Why are we putting up so much of effort?
Yes.
Earth is not putting any effort.
Very true.
It's just moving continuously. All the planetary system, they are so when we say Shav Se Shiva, Shav will always be putting effort, either to make somebody happy, either to be happy himself, either to gain something. Shiva.
सब हो रहा है.
सब हो रहा है.
Everything is happening.
And वो wish PK भी. See, people have connected happiness to achievement. If I'm going to achieve this, I'm going to reach this destination, then I'll be happy. Shiva कहता है, अरे अमृत लो, give me wish. I am happy with that. And I am into state of blissfulness. That state we achieve when we follow a little bit of Swara Yoga, as he mentioned. You are free of your ailments. You can manifest anything. You are very sure. And the things which are not good for your personality will automatically leave you.
You're not doing efforts, basically.
You're not doing effort. We don't have to put effort. See, you put a seed in the
अपने आप ही वो grow कर जाता है.
अपने आप ही कब बन जाता है. Means घर में तो अगर हम एक seed भी लगाते हैं ना, तो we have to keep mali. What about these jungles, huge dense forest? Who's going there for pruning and cutting? So human being, because they are not aware of the breath. वो सिर्फ oxygen and respiratory system.
automatically I'm just breathing. I'm not even aware ki what type of breath, etc. And oxygen, 21% oxygen, and my saturation. As doctors, okay, we just measure that, and that's it.
And for a normal human being, it's only when you get cold or some allergy,
हाँ,
you
तब पता
realize
चलता
you're
है.
breathing.
Yes.
Because now the breath is not coming automatically.
Right. Yeah.
And if you see a tortoise, a lifespan of a tortoise, and there's a lifespan of a dog, it's a big difference. A dog generally lives for 10, 12 years.
15
which is
max.
Maximum 15 years
बहुत
of life
ज़्यादा.
is it's a good life. Tortoise, 100, 200, 300. The only difference is the way they breathe. Number of breath is same. How they are utilizing. So, whenever we are into a non-acceptance state, our breath becomes shallow.
Our breath becomes shallow.
We start breathing fast. Why does this happen? There's so many questions. So we get into that beta state. I mean, you can check in beta state also. The breath will be shallow.
Faster and
So,
shallow.
Yeah. So it's just like giving pocket money to two children. One is spending very fast, and the other one is spending but wisely, as he said, you become wise, and you also save for the rainy days.
Right.
So same amount. So if you are, in communion with the cosmos, and as you experienced in the morning,
Yes.
you said, I felt that, after the meditation that I am not using any breath. You was out of the breath.
Correct.
That
Absolutely.
is the actually time when you are effortless and you are one with that one consciousness. And actually there is one breath. Whatever we are learning from outside is only an information. Somebody worked on it. As he mentioned, he can just preach Swara Yoga, but you will learn it by practice.
Sadhana.
Not without practice.
It is practice.
Till you do it practically. And your own breath is going to, differentiate with others. And maybe he's teaching a group of 25 people. So basic, he's going to teach. He's going to, like this I experienced in Hariam Swine. Even if I'm taking a session of 1,000 people, suddenly 5 people will get up and they will say, oh my God, after 1 hour, we don't have any back pain. The ladies coming to us, with that neck belt. And they have slipped disc. They come with another belt to support their back. After the session, they throw the belt there and leave. They leave. Why? Because when we were doing that sadhana of take a deep breath, leave it, so you were actually releasing your karma.
Right.
Right. And then there was exchange of breath. So there are so many yogis in the session. Actually, you are unknowingly benefiting from their sadhana.
Oh, okay. Very interesting.
Yeah, this is one.
So I will also come back to karma, because you did mention, Swamiji, in the previous episode about the karma also. You can change your karma by the means of the practice and the sadhana of it. Tell us about little of the karma, because I don't think so many people would even understand that whatever my action I'm doing, the results would be the karma, or the outcome would be on the actions that I'm doing today. And today, whatever I have, the results is the past deeds which I had done. So we call it, I think, Sanchit, what is it called? Yes. So would you explain to us from the karma and the karmic patterns, how is Swara Yoga important?
I'll just brief that.
Yes.
There is a dimension where time and energies are operating in the entangled state. So it like time and energy are the two sides of same coin.
So time and energy
Are two sides of same coin. So if I say T equal to A, time equal to energy, and energy equal to time. Now there's some scientists have come up with some kind of thermodynamics laws. They're talking about a little bit that energy or time is not like independent. It has got connection with the energy changes of the universe. Now the whole universe is based on energy pattern. Consciousness is observer. It is getting entangled with the physical aspect. They're getting attached and creating karma. A subtle aspect getting liberated. It depends on that. So the consciousness, energy, two aspects of the universe are operating on various dimensions of existence. Now what karma is operated? There are 3 kind of karmas. Sanchit karma. One is called Kriyaman karma. Kriyaman karma is right now we are doing. So Kriyaman karma, you have option to do in this way or that way. For example, if somebody is walking on a road and somebody, money, what is called, wallet falls down. He picks up, he says some gold is there are some, money, dollars, whatever it is. And he can do two things. Either he returns the person call, please take your,
Or keeps it for
or
him.
keeps it. Two actions make two different kind of patterns of energy known as Kriyaman karma. Now you are guided by your wisdom. The human has got buddhi naranam adhiko vishesha. So the buddhi, the wisdom is the extra which human being has got. Rest, ahar, nitra, vay, maithun is equal to human being as well as the animals. So when same action can create two kind of pattern. One, a person will be painful. He will see who has taken, I fallen somewhere.
He'll take the pain to return back.
Turn back. Now he is giving back. The person is becoming happy. He is creating a positive karma, punya. And when he takes back, she is painful for the whatever documents he had, money he has, 3-4 days his worries. That worry is going to his depth in the negative karma. And that when you do it, that becomes sanchit. So it has two aspects. One, you know that you have done wrong thing by taking somebody else, even though knowing the person is going, I can give back. A second is that person is pain. So both are linked to your baggage, known as sanchit karma. So sanchit karma works in two ways. One is going to your antakarna and another in their antakarna. At one larger scale, all the antakarna are connected. Like every mobile network is connected.
Correct.
Only I ring your number will be ringing, not somebody else. Similarly, everybody has their own specific aspect of energy under antakarna, but all are connected and controlled by the cosmic intelligence, Mahamaya in other language. So it has got control like master server, which has got all the information. Nodes. That one operating system is there. On top of that, all the apps, all the programming is written where all these things are working. So that is cosmic intelligence. So sanchit karma is the baggage where millions of life, whatever you do, they are going. Now these karmas are not a written theories. They are the energy pattern. So as I said, Kala and the time and the energy are two sides of the coin.
Okay.
So what is happening right now and what feeling is creating in the form of vibration of energy are the same thing entangled. So time and the things happen. So you create a samskara, samyak akar, a particular vibration which is taking a certain shape. And that shape has got certain impact on your mind.
Okay.
So if you do something wrong, your heart tells that I am doing wrong.
This is not right.
Not right. That vibration is taking a shape known as sanskara. Now it has gone in that vibration, I have done wrong yourself. Now the person who is also suffering is also gone connected with you. Now these things will entangle inside all the karmas of with many birth. And in that, similar tendencies will come together. Similar tendency means similar kind of vibration, little bit up and down. Like, we have parties, BJP or, Congress or any other party. So they have their own ideology. So when the same party person meets, they hug each other. Oh, we have the same party. We'll do
So the same karmic connection.
So similarly, in the karmic sanchit karma, it's a vast, many billions of lives. Those all karmas are there, entangled with the, connected with the similar kind of tendency. Now the similar tendency which is most powerful, potent to give the result. So those who have more numbers of MP, they will make the government right. Similarly, the similar tendency is more powerful and potent to create and give the effect to the person's life, which is upcoming life. This is already coming with one programming known as prarabdha. Third karma is known as prarabdha. So from sanchit, the potent one, the strongest one, will create the map of the next life.
Right.
So now we have come with one map, and that map is operating our voice, our personality, our thinking pattern, intelligence, body language, organs strength. Somebody has got some organ is strong, somebody has got other organs strong or something weak. It depends on the karmic programming blueprint of life. So now one blueprint of life is in making and one we are operating. So now we have come with the map from the birth till the death. You have come with the number of breaths. Now you have come with one programming, but you have one thing installed is the Shiva inside you, intelligence, that Atma, Chaitanyata, which is free from all these things.
Nothing binds it.
Na agni jalaye, bujaye na panu, na mrityu mitaye. So that is eternal soul, which is beyond all this death and birth. It is eternal. And uska kabhi janm or that never
Dies or does not take birth.
So that is inside there. So that has got power to overcome and alter these karmas.
Right.
So one prarabdha we have come up with. So once we are leading an unaware life, just like this, what is happening, then definitely we are in the viscous cycle of karma. What comes next, you don't know. But if you are leading with the awareness, with the yoga, with the Swara Yoga and other yogas, you will come to the operating forces. Then you can alter. So
You can change that.
change the destiny. Your question was changing the destiny.
And it is a beautiful transformation. As I mentioned, no, Shab se Shiva. Shab
Which is
Sanchit
automatic. Basically, automatically I will be operating.
automatically. So every time, I am thinking that I am doing good, but the response will be from the people will be bad, or there will be so much of reactions.
Right.
And I'll wonder that I am doing such good deeds. I'm forgetting my Sanchit Karma. But if you get connected to your breath, as you mentioned, Swara Yoga, and if you practice sadhana, and if you do
Regularly.
regularly, definitely. Like in Shab se Shiva, there are 7 classes. So 7 sessions. Each session transforms you.
Right.
How is it transforming? That now this Shab will react, will create more karmas. So his baggage
Is increasing, heavier.
increasing,
It's getting
becoming
heavier and heavier.
again and again. And we, always ask people to click the pictures of their palms.
Yes.
Because after the course, they see the lines have changed. Because now Shab is moving, as he mentioned, Shiva, he is not connected to all this. So eventually you have to convert to Shiva. Now, even if there are challenges in your life, even if the people are not behaving fine, even if you have a very big financial crash,
You will be able to manage
you
it.
will be very stable, like all the snakes around your neck, but you are in your sadhana. You are very much stable. So that is the way how people's life,
Transforms.
change. It transforms.
Right.
And not only one person, then everything around them, in their house, their children, their finance, the people whom they are meeting, everything.
I think that is the beauty of all the ancient wisdom that we have. It was never just about the health.
Understanding a Vidya and running the life with the Vidya.
Running the life with the Vidya.
As you mentioned, everybody's supplying. Now he's talking about applying. We all have to apply it.
Yes.
And that happens gradually. It cannot happen
Overnight.
Overnight can happen if you, जिसको बोलते हैं शक्ति पाठ. Some awakened guru just touches your forehead. That is why there's a very big importance of guru. Even while, becoming from Shab to Shiva, we can't leave our followers like that, because there is a big risk.
Yes.
When they are
The transformation is happening.
Swara Yoga, as he mentioned, you're changing your swara, and Guru is not there. It's just like, if a child is learning to fly,
And
the
nobody's
instructor
there.
leaves him.
Yeah, very
So
beautiful.
he's going to kill more people, and he's going to harm himself also. So you're learning to fly. From Shab, you are burning all your karmas. Now you don't have to live those karmas. You will become drishta to your
Witness.
witness. You will witness. So you are not into that sufferer mode. But once you are Shiva, you will laugh on those things. They will become very meaningful. Oh, there was such small
Such things
Why
which
did
are-
I many people and are smiles.
This happens also, as he said. As your consciousness and awareness grows, you'll be laughing at your own actions.
Yes, very true.
Because you have grown up.
Yes.
And you are able to see.
Even not for both of you, for me as well, when I started to learn all this, and then you wonder, you were crying for such a stupid thing, very, very
Such
stupid
petty
and
things.
silly.
Earlier, they used to look like, big mountains. Very sattvic. Why is God doing this with me? Everybody uses this line quite often.
Yeah, why me?
Why me? And now, when you become Shiva, you say, wow, me. Any challenge coming, you say, wow, me. I am the chosen one.
True.
So you are well equipped and you are very much stable.
Amazing.
And that is the life we have to live.
Because I was always under this impression that, karmas have to be very strictly like there is a strict formula and then nothing can be done about
people
it.
believe
And-
like that.
Exactly.
If the karma,
we have to go.
No other choice and all.
and if there is no change in karma, why we have all the shastras, why we have Vedas, why
Yes.
we have yogas?
Yes.
Why to transform? Where is moksha then?
Yes.
And let it be, everybody will then get moksha.
Yes.
Leave all this thing, put it in
True,
somewhere else.
true.
No. Karmas are operating as long as you are living an unaware life.
Very true.
Awareness
Beautifully
is
said.
Shiva. Awareness is Shiva.
Beautiful.
So awareness expand. How much your awareness? It is like we are living in this room. We can see 4 walls and the people here and whoever is there, whatever is there. If you go on the roof, you can see a little more. If you go a little up, you can see the whole locality. So area perception is increasing.
Increased,
So as
widened.
awareness is expanding, area perception is increasing. In normal way, we have like ocean. Ocean has got waves, many waves. Substratum is one ocean. Wave is not has got independent identity, but it is thinking I am a single.
Yeah.
So from single wave to merging back to the ocean. As you merge back, become the ocean, and then you perceive everything.
Beautiful.
You see, you are everywhere, you are in everything. So letting go and acceptance.
Very nice.
the
Amazing.
most
I'm going to come to the last question since this is a short series. My last
Where
question.
did I finish with the
Yes,
karmas?
please. Yes.
So when you follow Swara Yoga,
No, he's saying let him finish with the
Yes,
karmas.
yes, yes.
Now he's resolving all our
Yes,
So
that'll
this is the best
be
session.
wonderful.
Wonderful. You know,
Yes.
all karmas resolved
Yes.
in one podcast.
Yes.
This is the blissful state.
so the breath is having a very various aspect of dimension. So one side of the breath is got Atma and one is Paramatma. So the Atma and Paramatma is living in the breath. Now, because everything is breath and the time is operating, the Kala and Prarabdha is operating through the breath. They are not breath. They are operating through the breath.
Okay, the time and the destiny is operating through the breath.
So once you identify the energy patterns and their outcomes, you can just suppose you see your breath and you are going to do something. See, my breath pattern is very erratic and bad. And this is going to create chaos in that situation, that action, that business, whatever I'm going to do, the journey, anything. So you'll just change your breath, you change your tattvas and leave. So entire universe will change for you. Now, a person has a destiny to die. He sees the breath. Oh, the death energy is flowing in my breath. So if I leave, the death will take place. If leave, something will happen. Like the moment he changes that, the time will get illusion. Who was I was planning to kill?
Oh my God.
Whose destiny has come.
The Yamaraj is confused.
Who was that? I has to just put a tree on him.
Yeah.
Tree is fallen, the person is not found there. Why is not there? Where is God? Because he has identified and changed the pattern. Now he is using Mahakala Vidya to tame the Kal. Understand? So the moment you find out certain karmas coming out from the breath and some situations are linked to that, and you find the situation is going to be worst for my life and it is going to be creating viscous cycle of pain and suffering, you just change your breath. Tattva, the entire universe and situation will change for you. So the same situation will becoming the part of your end of life is going to be blessings of life.
So same thing for even complex critical conditions or health-related problems,
And when you get used
diseases.
to this, when you tame this, you know, it's just like you were mentioning 66 days of practice in neuropathy. So when you get aware, first of all, once the breath understands that now we are aware, it will behave properly.
Right.
Because
Beautiful.
now the teacher, look how it happens when a mother returns from the market. All the children will sit and study and they will do.
Yeah, abhi to padna hai. Teacher aa
You
gaye.
put one step towards Swara Yoga will put 4 steps towards you.
Oh my
That is
God.
how it works. It works,
So
she's saying
universe
correctly.
doesn't believe in slogging. You are not slogging for happiness. You know, the most difficult part in today's life is to have a simple life. That has become most
That has become complex.
Actually, simple. Life is simple only. We are very complex.
We made it complex.
Complex.
And as he said, if we climb up, we can have a bigger vision.
Yeah.
Now, see, we can see everything here. But if the light goes off,
Yeah.
nothing is leaving here.
True.
But we won't be able to.
So that is the inner light or that inner awareness.
That is awareness.
People are missing on this light, which is the aura, the electric current. And because they are always into blaming him. So whom are they blaming? The creation of God, the creation of Shiva. So they are continuously in competition with Shiva. They are not fighting with those people. It's not in their hand. It's their karma which is making them, you know, shout or making them cry,
Irritated
or making them cheat. Because this was your karma. Now you were the director of your life before your birth. You scripted everything. You gave it to everybody.
Wow.
Now you're not into acceptance. So you always leave Shiva and you become Shav, and you again and again
And complain and you go through the cycles.
and again into that cycle. But you keep on blaming. So the moment you blame, the electric circuits go away. Because God says, I mean, you don't believe in me? You know, the child can come straight also. When the child takes birth in mother's womb, why is it that he is not coming straight? Why is he upside down? Head is down. Because Shiva, before sending him to the earth, tells again and again, see, this time I'm sending you. Don't find fault in anybody else. Just believe that this is one consciousness, one breath. Everything is a mirror. What is inside, you will be seeing that. So just behave properly. You are going to the world to do your sadhana and get free of your
Get
karmas.
freedom from the
So if
pain,
you're
basically.
witnessing- Yeah, if you're witnessing, no, everybody. Your karma only comes into action if emotion is connected.
Right.
If there's
Not
no emotion,
otherwise.
it cannot, it will be there. It will just, like dormant volcanoes, it will be there. But it is not behaving. It's not.
It will have emotion. A particular form it has to take. So it will identify with certain kind of emotion. That will become sanskar.
Beautiful, beautiful.
In between, if something like this happens to your life, Guru like this was telling you, okay, check your right nostril, check your left. And people think it's very difficult.
Yeah.
When
They always have excuses for
They
not.
always see, जिनके पास उड़ान का है ना, उनके पास कोई बहाना नहीं. There's always
Will and way.
win and be. So there nobody is extraordinary by birth. It's only your thought process. If you do a little extra effort, So all the people who are successful or outshining, like he mentioned, so they're continuously preaching, teaching, practicing. So that is why he can stay in that minus 16 degree. It's not overnight.
Correct.
Or even if it is overnight, then his Purana Sanchit.
Yes. That got ignited. And
Pasupati have become Pasu with ignorance. Veils
yes.
of Maya.
True.
Kanchukas.
True.
And when that veil is removed with awareness,
Unveiled.
conscious living, understanding the existence, operating forces, and reflecting upon expanding awareness, then the Pasu becomes Pasupati.
Beautiful, beautiful. So Pashu becomes Pashupati. What a beautiful this.
One more thing, if you will see around the world now, people feel that they are human beings,
Yes.
but they are living a life of Pashu only.
Very true. Very true. It's just limbic system and
They're
fight,
changing
flight,
colours.
and
They don't have that certain color.
Yes.
So, they are always, either they are trying to be friendly, but from inside, they have a total different thought process. They are always cursing or, So, even if we become a simple human being,
and learn simply, at least to breathe. At least to breathe and breathe
even
well.
if we just say Shukrana to our prayers, morning when we get up, wow, this breath, was taking care of me. Otherwise, तो रात को कोई जला देता.
सही बात है.
Would have
सही
said.
बात है, भगवान को, nobody give gratitude to the God.
Yes.
They are getting everything. They have got, hands and all the organs good. Just think about the person who don't have leg or
Correct.
eyes.
Correct.
How much rich you are.
Correct.
And even though we are blaming, so we have to accept and be thankful to everyone who is giving a very good life. The mother, the father, the people, the universe, the fruits, the trees, the animals.
Yes.
So that is true that we should be always in the positive things and reducing the negative quality of ego. Pride is good thing. But you should not have that key that I
सब कुछ मैं ही कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, सब कुछ मैं. There is no gratitude for
और मुझे
anything.
ऐसा ही मिलना चाहिए. This is what I should get. This is what I have to be.
In none of our Shastra, कभी भी मैं शब्द नहीं. It's always Vasudevaya, सबका मंगल, सबका. Even if so even if you were praying like today we did that Havan. And Shanti part में क्या था? Om Devo Shanti
everybody.
Antariksha.
Yeah.
Shanti Prithvi. So, as he mentioned that one, there's a sea and then there are so many waves. Each wave is saying, I am bigger than the other one. So, I am holding this sea. So, they are...
But it's all the water in the
It's
end.
all the
They are the part of the sea.
and
Guys.
that
They are not
is
separate.
not layer. It's the huge sea. We are forgetting that we are that whole Prithvi, the whole consciousness. We are that.
Beautiful.
But हमने अपनी body के साथ attach. And now we are, trying to make this body happy. We are decorating this body. We are taking this body to places for holidays. And when we come back, we are again tired.
We are the
When
same.
we are going out, we are again tired.
Yes, very
So,
true.
it's all about the effort.
Happiness
If you
and
are an
sorrow is the brothers and sister. They are never they are never permanent happiness. Happiness is not a good thing. Bliss is the permanent. It's called Sat Chit Anand. Atma gun kya hai? Sat Chit Anand. So bliss has no opposite word. But Sukh has got Dukh. Bliss has what opposite? Anand का
Just
कोई
bliss.
opposite है? कुछ नहीं है. आनंद जो है ना वो eternal है.
And I'm just completely mind blown because very simple techniques in the Shastras, in the ancient times, to not just keep ourselves healthy, but also to burn our karmas, to make sure that we are towards the path of freedom, towards the path of bliss. And these are all, I think, simple techniques.
Very simple.
Consistently doing it
They have
can make
never
a
been
change.
complicated.
They've
They are
never been
always simple.
complicated.
Complication is there in outer world.
Yes.
No new things are coming and all this thing.
And I think we scientists and doctors
Scientists
make
are
it
more
complicated.
Go to
Thank you.
doctor, ये
Doctors have
ये
been
रिपोर्ट
very
वोट और ऐसे चेहरा दिखा देंगे कि आधा तो ऐसी पेशेंट मर जाएगा.
ये जो आपने बोला ना life इतनी simple है. See, we have seen in Hariom's file so many times. We just teach one word, which is known as script. And we ask people, just put this word around your house, on every cupboard, on your fridge, on your car, everywhere where you go. And that script depicts that you had Sanchit Karma. Before coming to this earth, you only wrote your bhagya, what? Like, Bhagwan ye kya? So nobody wrote your destiny. You designed it because you were the purest of the light. So you decided, okay, I have to give love and I have to take curse from this person, I have to give love. So if you are in pain, it's just you are resolving, like you're paying back your loan.
Correct.
Why are you in pain? You should be happy that
you're just getting old.
So,
Very true. Because God is not given you have scripted.
Yeah.
You are getting back your own karma. Deal with that.
So don't cry over it. Just get over it.
Changes their pranmay coach. They become so happy. They always say, thank you, Bobby. We never knew this. We were, always trying to change people. Now, once they know this, they just witness it. Okay, this person is angry. Not with me, this body. I am not this body. So they are being again and again revised, I am not this body. I am the soul, Shivoham, I am Shiva. If I am Shiva, you all are Shiva, you all are Shiva, then I am Shiva.
Beautiful.
Then how can Shiva fight with Shiva?
Yes.
It's only that Shav comes up.
Yes. And then all the confusions happen.
Then there is, ek ichha, do ichha ka ant nahi ho raha.
वो टिश्यू बॉक्स से निकलता है टिश्यू 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 इच्छा इच्छा
Vicious cycle है उसका end ही नहीं है. One desire can create thousands of consequences out of that. And उससे फिर नया प्रकट होता है. उसका unending cycle है. Viscous cycle.
वाओ हम ऐसे ही बात कर सकते हैं कितने दिनों तक. Both of you are just amazing, and I think the very beautiful thing that I as a scientist is taking away is that karma or the actions, the fruit of the actions, what you are doing, etc. Everything is very important, and it's important to witness, to become aware. I think let's give a mantra to the audience as we close this: aware, care, and dare. Let's be all aware. Let's care for the thing that we have to move on and progress in life, have growth in life. Let's get rid of all the pains, may it be from the health issue or the wealth issue or relationship issues. And then dare to practice, dare to learn, dare to do that, because consistency only wins. So thank you so much, both of you. My humble gratitude to be on this episode too. But you guys, please join us again back. We bring such contents where you will be transforming yourself. Information only remains in the books. Experiencing it every day, transformation will change life. So your life, my absolute prayers on behalf of the Limitless Brain Lab for every single species and creature on this earth. May everybody be healthy, happy and wise.
And as she said, care. So I would say bas सांसों की care.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल. सांसों की care.
Unlimited.
So you cannot buy it. You cannot reimburse
Absolutely.
it. The way it's your choice, God has given it to you.
Take care.
Take care.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Har Har Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev.